How to add text box in GoDaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a section that is specific for a text to your website. We cannot add a text box directly to the website, but instead we're going to add the nearest section to a text box and also work with it. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over GoDaddy.com. Sign in for an account within this platform, and as you can see here, we have the account dashboard that contains all of the websites that we own. So we are going simply right there to visit one of the websites that are functional. I'm going to select, for example, Jack's Tickets. Once you have selected the website, you're going to see the dashboard of that website or the control panel of it. So right now we are going simply to click on edit site at the right screen or the right part of the screen. Click on edit website. It will open up here GoDaddy website builder. And from here, you're going to see the different sections and the compartments and also the component of the website. So as you can see, we have a different text boxes or different sections that contain text. You can see that we have here a title, a subtitle, and also we have a text box. Now, how we can add a text box? So as you can see, this is a text box, and here we have the different components of them. So we are going simply to click on the button Add Section. It is going to be situated between two sections. Click on Add Section, and from here, we're going simply to set up here or click on General, and then we are going to see here the About, the buttons, the content, for example, and we have introductions. We have also quotes. So make sure that you're going to add here, for example, an About section that is going to be one of the choices right there. So each one of the sections will contain a text box and an image presentation. So we are going to head over the general again. So here we have a lot of text boxes that we don't need the form of them. So we are going to ignore the about. We're going to head over the introduction. So from the introduction, you're going to see here some well-organized text boxes here in the same line with the image comparison or presentation. So we are going to scroll down a little bit. Here we have a text section and also this one. We can also see them on the quote, I think, or the right there, the content. So you can go ahead and click on content and see the different text boxes that we can add. For example, this welcome visitors to your site, we can go ahead and add that section. And when you add that section, you're going to see it right there. So we have a title and we have a text box. We have a button that we could right there hide. If you want to hide that button, just click on it. Then you're going to see at the right side of the screen, show button or action button. We're going to disable that. Click on done, and here we have the text box or the text section. We cannot unfortunately drag and drop here the texts wherever we want, but it is going to be right there a section implemented with a text box. You can go ahead and modify the text, the title, and also the policy, the colors, and etc. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.